me a second and I will make that happen.
Oh yeah, whatever you got.
So this is the trail turn assist. What that does is basically what I like to refer as donut mode.
Okay.
What that does is that is going to lock up the inside tire, whatever tire you're turning, so you can turn on a dime. And all you do to turn it on and off is press that button and you're good to go, man.
All right.
Then next is going to be the breakover angle, as well as the water forging. This is my favorite view right here, and we can splash it pretty good.
Wow.
So that was 18 inches of water. This thing has the capability going over 30, so about 33 of water forging, of inches of water that you can actually go through.
Wow.
So, yeah, pretty close to 3 foot of water.
Oh, okay, that's
And
pretty
you won't
great.
get wet.
I thought G-Wagons were famous for like doing that kind of stuff.
Yeah, no, these things are... This is kind of like your, just ultimate off-road, on-road, capable vehicle.
Who needs roads?
Exactly. We don't.
Whoa. Oh my god.
The video will not do this justice.
I know, right? Well, I can do this. I think you can tell from that. That's insane.
We'll speed up, go through the bumps here.
This is not like my Honda Accord.
No. So that does pretty good. I don't think the Honda Accord will do that either.
No, it has a CVT, man. I don't think it could get out there.
That's awesome. We'll go ahead and lock in the front and rear end. Go through these. See just how capable these things are too. Okay, you can kind of feel how we're a little bit teetering?
Yes, I saw it from over there. One of the wheels is floating right now.
Yep, one of the wheels is floating. So all you gotta do is unhook what they call the stay bar, which is Ford's version of the sway bar. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna maximize the wheel travel. And so it's gonna allow, basically, I've been driving manuals all day. This is awesome. Driving this automatic.
It's relaxing.
Yes. All right, this is 38 degrees here.
All right, I'm ready for this one.
And it also has what this thing calls trail control. So all you do is press that button and you can set the cruise, and it's also one pedal, so it helps you on the rocks and manages your brake.
Does it for you.
Does it for you. So now we're going 2 mile an hour, and it'll keep us at 2 mile an hour going all the way downhill. I'm gonna use the brake just a little bit and show you so you can really appreciate just how freaking steep this thing is. But again, it keeps me at whatever speed I want.
Wow. Yeah. Dude, video does not do this justice.
No.
It's insane.
Like we can just hang out here so you can get your better video.
That's insane. Oh my god. My feet are slipping. Oh my god.